Welcome to my channel. Virgin Media flashing green light but no internet. If the Wi-Fi symbol light is flashing green, it means that the router is successfully connected to the internet, indicating that there are no issues with the router. First, check the white connector cable. Turn off the router. Check the connection between the white connector cable and the isolator cable. Ensure that the isolator cable is securely connected to the wall side of the connector cable. Verify that the connector and isolator cables have a tight connection. Lightly tug the cables to ensure they fit correctly. Second, check the hub power supply. Turn off the main power switch and hub switch. Verify that the power supply cable is securely connected to the socket. If the connection is loose, remove the power supply cable and plug it back in. If the socket itself is loose, consider plugging the power supply cable into another socket. Turn on both the main power switch and the hub switch. Third, reboot your router. Turn off the black power switch located on the back side of the hub. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Turn the power switch back on. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for the router to reboot properly. Once the reboot is complete, the power light should be white. Fourth, implement a factory reset if the router update is stuck. Keep the router powered on. Locate the reset pinhole located on the rear of the Virgin Media router. Use a safety pin or a similar tool to press and hold the pinhole for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Allow the router to reset to its factory settings and wait for approximately 30 seconds. What to do after resetting your Virgin Media router? Open any web browser, enter the router's IP address, locate the router's username and password to log in. Once logged in, locate the Configure Your Wi-Fi Connection option. Proceed to update the credentials as desired.